Get set, taste. Right. So, already? Really?
Okay.
Okay, interesting. Second one. 10 seconds gone.
A beach and bread.
Oh, yes, you're right.
You're right. Don't try to mess me up.
Okay, shit, Leah. Leah, she's good
You
at
are
this.
quick.
I know.
What's the flavour in that?
Your palate's
20
excellent,
seconds
actually.
gone. What do you reckon? Yuzu. Wow. After that, give the bell a little ring. 30 seconds left. What flavour's
I'm
that?
kind of stressed, but I'm excited.
You sure? Earl Grey and panic
Don't try to
butter?
mess me up.
Who puts basil in a cookie?
You sure? 20 seconds left.
You guys.
Gotta hit the bell. Gotta hit the bell. Are you confident?
Always.
Leah, you have 5 for 5.
Yeah!